The next type of polygon that we are going to discuss is a quadrilateral. It's a quadrilateral. So let's say that if you have this line 1, it's L, you have another line that's M, you have another line that's N, and you have one more line, let's say it's line O. So we have 4 lines and they are intersecting at 4 different points. Let's denote them by some letter. It's A, it's B, it's C, and it is D. So just as we saw in the case of triangle, if we take this section, and this one, you can clearly see that BA is a line segment, AD is a line segment, DC is a line segment, CB is a line segment, and these 4 line segments are forming a simple closed curve. Of course, it will be a polygon, and this polygon having 4 sides, having 4 different line segments, will be a quadrilateral. And this quadrilateral has 4 sides, and it has 4 vertices. What are the sides? So since this is a line segment, so the first side will be AB, the second side will be BC, the third side will be CD, and the fourth side will be DA. Now, what are the 4 vertices? The first vertex will be A, the next one will be B, the next one will be C, and the next one will be D. So these are the 4 vertices, and since it has 4 vertices, therefore it will have 4 angles. This will be the first angle, that is angle DAB. This will be another angle, this will be angle ABC. This will be another angle, it will be angle BCD, and this will be another angle, it will be angle CDA. So we got 4 sides of this quadrilateral, we got 4 vertices of this quadrilateral, we got 4 angles of this quadrilateral. Also, as we saw in the case of triangle, we used a symbol that was like something like this. It was something like this for triangle. There is no particular symbol to denote a quadrilateral. We simply write it as quadrilateral. In this case, you can write it as ABCD, traversing all the vertices, covering all the vertices. So A, B, C, D. You can also write it as ADCB. Like in this case, you were moving in clockwise direction. In this case, you are moving anti-clockwise direction. So A, D, C, B. You can start from any vertex. Like in this case, I started from A. Similarly, I can start from B. If I start from B, then it will be B, C, D, A, or B, A, D, C. If I start from C, then it will be quadrilateral C, D A B or C B A D, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Similarly, you can start using this vertex D, and all those representation, they all will be same. There will be no difference in them. Okay, so there is no particular symbol to represent a quadrilateral. Like we saw in the case of triangle, it was having this symbol. We don't have any here. Now can you write it as quadrilateral, ACDB? No, we don't write it as ACDB. We don't write it. We always take the vertices in a continuity. Okay, so like you're moving in clockwise or you're moving anti-clockwise, and always take them in a continuity, like A B C D or A D C B or C D A B or C B A D. Okay, so this is a wrong representation of this quadrilateral. So this was about very basic introduction of quadrilateral. In next video we will discuss some other points related to quadrilateral.